Hi guys, my name is Nisura Silva. I study a Bachelor of Business majoring in Sport Management, and I'm from Sydney, Australia. So I've been following Coach Raph for the better part of about 10 months, and I consider it a turning point in my life. I know there's a lot of false promises around, and everyone is a bit skeptical before trusting someone with their money. But take it from a guy who has spent almost a year being skeptical and following Coach Raph day in and day out on his platform. So it wasn't obviously easy making the decision to purchase the GT Masterclass, let alone find the money for it when you're living on paycheck to paycheck. And I've been scammed before by Forex brokers and mentors promising you the whole world. But with Raph, I built that trust over time. He talks to me personally with all and any and all questions I've got, and literally shares everything he's doing while making his trades, his analysis, his open trades, and even when to close them. So hopefully that clears anyone's skepticism. Alright, so I finished the course about a week ago. It was quite daunting at first. There's a lot of knowledge to fathom, but that's basically it. If you are able to go through it thoroughly, and that's all you need. It takes you from the basics of terminology of the trading world and all the way to analyzing the market, indicators to enter and exit the market, and also how to discipline yourself to stay consistently profitable. I've been trading Forex for a short while, but in vain obviously, and lacking the knowledge. And one of the most important things I've learned from this course is how to manage my risk or margin levels by selecting proper lot sizes and not being margin called. I already recommended this course to my family and friends in Sydney, and I've told them about the potential the course has. It can basically change your life. And why I did recommend this course to my peers is because, like most people, we've all got 9 to 5 jobs or casual work here in Australia, and after monthly expenses, mortgage, rent, groceries, and fuel, you hardly have any savings for yourself. And you repeat this week after week with no way of getting out of this routine. And this course and what you learn, I believe, will be an escape from this. So from a very young age, I've been ambitious and determined about my studies, my sport, and my passion to travel the world and meet new people. And my dream job, is to become a pilot one day and have the freedom to take to the skies whenever I wanted. But that just sounds like a dream if I continue this mediocre lifestyle. I used to work 3 jobs and almost 7 days a week, every week, just so I'm able to pay my university fees, my rent, and other expenses to keep me going. And that was all before the coronavirus, and now I'm down to 1 job and barely enough money to sustain myself. So, see, that's the thing, that's the beauty of Forex. It doesn't matter if there's a pandemic in the world or the fact that I'm jobless at the moment. If I am able to master the concepts and knowledge within this course, it will give me the freedom I so badly want. So that is why I keep in close contact with Coach Raph, and I will thoroughly learn this course so that I don't have to live that mediocre life and have to work 5 or 6 days a week like my parents did just to make sure ends meet. And I genuinely believe the GT Masterclass will help me achieve the financial freedom and my other goals for the next 5 years. Just a takeaway from my review, guys. Forex has the potential to change your life, and the knowledge you acquire to apply in the Forex world, along with Coach Raph, is the key to unlock all that. And I believe, if not for anything else that you learn in this course, it's about managing your risks and disciplining yourself. If you are able to master this over time, I don't think you've got anything to worry about. And just to wrap things up, I'm very excited to be trading this week and going in with all this knowledge. I feel confident, and if you're watching this video, I'll hopefully see you at the top one day. Cheers, guys. Thank you.